Hello everyone, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the front headlights on an Audi A6 C5. Many people mistakenly think that you need to take off the front bumper for this, but I'll show you that it's not necessary at all. Removing the headlight is very simple. First, unscrew the 2 bolts on top and 1 bolt in this opening, which secures the bottom part of the headlight. Next, don't forget to disconnect the electrical connector from the headlight. By the way, the connectors can be quite tight. Mine even slightly broke during the process. After all the manipulations, the headlight comes forward. If the headlight is still not coming out, please pay attention to the fact that there is one mounting point in the bottom part of the headlight. Many people remove the bumper to unscrew this bolt, but you don't need to unscrew the bolt because the attachment comes loose if you pull on the headlight. In the end, just unscrew the 3 bolts on top, then move the headlight slightly to the side so that it comes out of the lower part's hook, and then pull it out. As you can see, the headlight is secured with 2 short upper bolts and 1 long bolt that fixes its lower part. And here is the spot where you need to pull the headlight from when you're removing it. That's it. Until next time.